Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about run-to-failure maintenance, a risky strategy. Let's jump right into it. Run-to-failure maintenance, a risky strategy. Run-to-failure maintenance is a reactive maintenance strategy where equipment is allowed to operate until it fails before taking corrective action. This approach is often characterized by its minimal upfront investment and focus on preventive maintenance only when necessary. Why run-to-failure? There are several reasons why organizations might adopt a run-to-failure strategy. Cost effectiveness. In the short term, it can reduce maintenance costs by minimizing preventive maintenance activities. Minimal upfront investment. No significant resources are required to implement preventive maintenance programs. Flexibility. It allows for a more reactive approach to maintenance, adapting to changing circumstances. The risks of run-to-failure. Despite its potential cost savings, run-to-failure maintenance can pose significant risks. Unexpected downtime. Equipment failures can lead to unplanned downtime, disrupting operations and impacting productivity. Increased repair costs. Repairs after a failure can be more expensive than preventive maintenance, as they often involve emergency services and potentially more extensive damage. Safety hazards. Failed equipment can pose safety risks to employees and the public, especially in critical applications. Data loss. In systems that handle sensitive data, failures can result in data loss or corruption. When is run-to-failure appropriate? While run-to-failure may seem like a cost-effective option, it's generally not recommended for critical equipment or systems. However, it can be considered for low-value assets, equipment with low repair costs and minimal operational impact. Non-critical systems, systems that are not essential for operations and can tolerate occasional downtime. Temporary use equipment, equipment that is only used for a short period. A balanced approach. A more balanced approach to maintenance often involves a combination of preventive maintenance and run-to-failure strategies. This allows for proactive management of critical equipment while minimizing costs for less critical components. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.